All right, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on the area that you are watching this video from. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make extra profit with the coin you have in your Trust wallet. Okay, you don't just have to leave your money in your Trust wallet just like that, but I'm just strictly going to show you how you can make extra income from the money you are holding in your Trust wallet without it being idle in your Trust wallet. Okay, so make sure you stick till the end of this video, because at the end of the video I will also share with you the best tips that can even help you make more money with your Trust wallet. Okay, so stick. First thing, what to do is to download Trust Wallet from the Google Play. Depends on the phone. If you're using Android like me, or you're using iPhone, just go to Google Play or any of the Apple Play, okay, and download the app. So let me just quickly download the app. Type Trust Wallet. Okay, so I have the app in my phone already. I'll just update it. Okay, wait till it finish loading. Okay, it have done downloading. Installing now. It is installing now. Installing now. Okay, wait for some minutes, guys. Okay, the app is done downloading. So you tap at open. It will open. I open with my fingerprint. I already have account here, but you, first of all, this is how the interface will open for you whenever you download the Trust Wallet new. This is how it is going to be. So what you have to do is to click at create a new wallet. Okay, then you have to tick this, tick this, tick this, and tick this. Okay, so I'll tick them all. Then you click at continue here. Then a 12 passphrase will be shown for you. Okay, then you make sure you copy that passphrase. So when you don't copy it, click continue here and add up the 12 passphrase that you have copied. Make sure that this 12 passphrase is keep safe. Don't keep it in anywhere anyone can even get access to it, because getting access to your 12 phrase is same thing as getting access to your wallet. Okay, hope you know that. Okay, you click at continue and that is all. So you find paper and write it out. So once you are done creating your account, then you will be using this particular wallet to receive coin. You'll be using them to receive coin. Okay, so but let's assume you have some coin already in your Trust wallet, so you don't just have to allow it adamant. Look at the other ways that you can make profit with the money you have in your Trust wallet. Let me just show you. Once you tap at this three button here, two button, I mean to say it. So you will see the list of coin. Okay, all this one that you're seeing, the first one, all this first coin that you're seeing from here now, from TRC, Polygon, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, Cardano, SRP, all this coin till here, till this place. All those coins, as I see it there, you can actually stake them and it will be generating more coin for you. Let me use this as an example. TRC 20. Okay, I have some TRC 20 here worth of $6. So what I have to do is to just click at stake. Okay, I click at stake, it will open. Okay, you are staking it for 3 days and your APR, annual percentage revenue, is 3.5% to 5.06%. Okay, so what I have to do now is to click at stake. Then okay, do you see what I did now? See what I did? I just click at stake here. Okay, then you can select TRC scan or BNB, anyone. So once you like this place now, if you select BNB, that means any transaction make around Binance, you'll be receiving what is it called? Make on Binance app, you'll be receiving your percentage, but you can see all of them are the same, so no need of changing it from this one that you have been ticked now. So you allow it here. For me, I need to stake all. I click at maximum. Then as I click at maximum, I'll click at continue here. So continue here. So when I tap at continue here, as you can see, I will confirm it. So the network is free. Okay, I will tap at confirm. Then I open with my fingerprint. Wow, okay, as simple as that. So my coin have been freeze. These 97 TRS have been freeze, and it will be generating another coin for me. Okay, that is number one, staking. And for if you're still getting this video interested, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to it so that you see an important video like this. Okay, and another one, what you have to do is, like, you guys that are still making money with your dmining.top, so that is the way that you can stake your coin to make more profit for you until when you decide to withdraw it. Okay, so other way that you can make money with them Trust Wallet is by clicking on your browser here. Okay, once you click at your browser, you can see they have Pancake Swap here and other coins here. So you tap at Pancake Swap. Okay. For the first time, they'll ask you to connect your wallet. You see my own is connect with Smart Chain already. So connect with Smart Chain already there. Okay. So then you can click at them, connect to connect your wallet. So I'm using Trust Wallet. So tap at Trust Wallet. Okay. Then you connect the wallet. Okay. And what or how you earn here is by providing liquidity. So you tap at liquidity here. Tap at liquidity. Okay. Still loading. Still loading, guys. Okay, it's open and still loading. Yeah, I have no liquidity. So to add liquidity, I'll just click at add. I don't know why it's hanging. Okay, then you select the coin that you wish to provide the liquidity for. Okay, if it is cake, you choose cake. If it is any other coin, you choose the coin here. Let me just type Tron to know if I can provide liquidity with Tron here. TRS. It seems I cannot provide liquidity with that particular coin, because I wish I can do that. It's supposed to display here. I cannot provide liquidity with that coin. So let me just take cake as an example, or BAC. Okay, to add liquidity to these two coins, you're supposed to have BNB in your Trust wallet and BUSD. So you have those two wallets, and your annual percentage revenue is 7.89%. That is good. So you have, if you have BNB and your this, you can quickly click at add liquidity. So and you'll be receiving 7.68% from any activities that is being carried on these two coins. Okay, and other ways you can earn is by farming. Click at earn, you see farm. Still loading. Yeah, so it's still loading now. So to farm those coins that you have provide liquidity for, you can just come here and search for them and look at them. Look at it here. So look at the BNB and BSU, that which is the one you provide liquidity for. So you can see here you'll be earning 14.this% to farm them. So you can look at other coin here that you can easily, the one that have high percentage, high APR, you can see. So you select any of them that you wish to farm, and make sure you have, if you are farming this one that have 128 APR, so you make sure you have OLE and BCU to stake, to farm this. Other ways you can still make money is by pool. Okay, wait for it to finish loading. Okay, so you click at go to pool, and you can easily pull any of these coins that you're seeing here. Okay, so you can easily pull them. All these coins that you're seeing here, that is, you can easily pull them. So I hope this video work. And before I end this video, I'm going to show you other things that you can do with your Trust wallet. Okay, let me cancel the transaction. I'm in my home page now, and to search for any coin that is not listed on this place, so to just tap at top here, you search the name of the coin, USDT. Okay, it will appear here. Then you look at the blockchain on which it is being built upon. If it is TRC20, ERC20, BIT20, or any of the blockchain it is being built upon, so it will be displayed here. You just on it and it will appear on your portfolio. Okay, then that is that. You can even use this to perform a DeFi, a DeFi which is decentralized, earning money with DeFi. You can use it to what is it called? You can use it to borrow, you can lend, you can stake, and you can farm with this DeFi. So if you want to know how to farm, stake, borrow and lend your coin, so you drop it in the description below so that I will make the video on how you can do that. I will know how many people that are interested in the video. Okay, so you can yield farming. Look at the app that you can use to do that, listed on this gaming site. Okay, you can see them here. Or then exchange, marketplace, they still have NFCX marketplace. Look at for staking, the app that you can do that. Okay, so that is all for this. And once you click at your setting here, you can actually create as many wallet as you want by tapping at this plus on the top of this so you create as many wallet as you wish. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.